And from this day onwards, I'll be posting daily updates about currencies and analyzing them. But today I'll be analyzing gold. I'll be analyzing gold for how we expect it to behave throughout this week. So I'll be analyzing also other currencies. So you'll have to comment which currency I must also analyze for you guys. I won't be checking any trades. I will just do the analysis here so that anybody can see, and it can also help you on how to trade, because you'll be knowing the direction of gold for the whole week, you see. So now we are on our daily time frame. Okay, let's jump to it so that we can not to take a long time. So now we are on our daily time frame. I've already drawn the trend line. As you can see, these two trend lines, these two trend lines, this one and these ones, I've drawn them in the daily time frame. As you can see, they are showing us a bullish momentum, as you can see, as this is our lower low, higher high, see, lower low, see, it's showing us a bullish momentum, as you can see. So now let's jump on to a 4-hour time frame. So I've also drawn this trend line on our 4-hour time frame to make things simple. This is our trend line, and also this one for the 4-hour time frame. As you can see now, we are seeing a different twist now. Things are changing now. As you can see now, that's where the trend line is indicating a bearish momentum, no longer a bullish momentum. So you can know that if you are doing analysis, you need to go first on the high time frame to see how the how the currency is doing on the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame it can show a bullish momentum, but as you go low on lower time frame, things might change. You see, you might note that the price is now on a bearish momentum. As you can see now, on a 4-hour time frame, the price is going down, it's no longer going up. But that doesn't change the overall movements of the price, as it is on higher time frame that it is going, that is bullish, you see. So on a 4-hour time frame, we are noting that the price is bearish, you see, on this trend line, but it created it broke the trend line here. As you can see, it then went back straight into the trend line and also broke it again to create this point, as you can see. Okay, now let's jump on to the 1-hour time frame so that we can further our analysis. The 1-hour time frame here. Now we are on our 1-hour time frame. So I want us to highlight this area that I've drawn. This area, you see, on this area price did. Also here you see what price did. When price reached this area, it rejected back. It means sellers were weakened here and buyers gained control on this level. It happened here and it happened here again, which means this makes this area our buying zone, as you can see, because it was tested more than 2 times. Let me show you that it was tested more than 2 times. You see, now that it's clear. So price rejected here, price rejected here, price rejected here, price rejected here. So it means this area was tested 4 times. 4 times. When price reached this point, it rejected back up, even here, even here, even here. So it means what we saw on the daily time frame is true, that price it's on a bullish momentum. It's just that we are on the 1-hour time frame. That's why we're noticing this slightly bearish. It doesn't mean the overall movement is bearish. It means the overall movement it's bullish, because I also went on this time frame. I also went on the 1 week time frame. As you can see on the 1 week time frame, price is just clear. It's just clear that it's going up. Something you cannot see. It's so clear that it's going up, as you can see. So you need to have this in your mind that price is bullish. It can have that bearish, but the overall movement is bullish. You see. So we can go back to this 1 hour time frame. So I want us to focus here where our trade will be. So price here. Okay, where is my rush? Okay, price on this point, you see, it went back up on this point, but we also have this point that I've also highlighted. Price was consolidating at this point. It wasn't making any move. It means there's a resistance here. There's some like the buyers and the sellers are like at equilibrium. You see, it's like no one was overpowering, but eventually the buyers were overpowered the sellers. As you can see, price eventually moved up, you see, but at this point also it was starting to show the same thing. So we are expecting that at this point it is the point that we are going to see whether price is going bullish or bearish. As you can see that here it started with a good momentum of being bullish, but at this point it started to consolidate again. So it means you must expect something like this. It will happen something like this here before price shoots up, because we can see that it's already on a bullish momentum. But for traders during the week, you need to target also this point. So if you will be buying here, you will have to target this point. This will be your take profit, and your stop loss will be at this point, you see, because it has been tested multiple times, you see. So your stop loss should be at this point, and your first take profit should be here, and your second take profit should be at this point. You won't go wrong with that one. So guys, that's it for today, guys. As you can see, gold will be going more bullish this week. Okay, it might happen that gold drop up to this point. That's why I'm saying your stop loss is here, but eventually it will go up. That is what will happen. But you need to be careful with your stop loss, because it might just go below just to hit your stop loss for the stop loss of any buyer. So you need to pay careful attention, and you need to. I will also post another video about sharp entries, you see. But yeah, what I can say for now is that gold will be bullish throughout the week. So we're expecting something like this. We are expecting something that gold will move up to this area throughout the week, up to this area. Okay, now it's untied. Okay, let me start afresh. So we're expecting that gold will do something like this, maybe, and this go to this point, you see. It will consolidate little more, but eventually it will go for this point. And when it reaches this point, we are expecting that it can also do the same thing. Because if you can look here, okay, let me draw. If you can look here, you see this area that I'm targeting. It also shows that, okay, let me draw. Okay, let me, so that you can see very well. Let me draw a triangle so that it can be much clear. See, the reason I'm saying this is our take profit, you see. This is gonna be our first take profit. As you can see, price when it reached this point, our take profit says I want to be precise. You see, it was tested here and here and here. So as you can see that the price, when it reached this point, it rejected back, even here, even here, and even here. So you must expect it even here, it did the same thing. So when you buy, you need to have it in mind that when it reaches this point, it might reverse. It is highly possible that it will reverse. That's why I'm saying your take profit should be at this point. So should it break, you see, you can then target this point. This is our second take profit. This is our second tip. So guys, that's it for today. Please subscribe and press the notification button so that you get notified, because I will be posting these videos every week now and then. And you can comment which currency you want me to break it for you so that you can understand its movements. Thank you guys. Have a good week ahead and be profitable. Goodbye.